Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for hands-on product insights and installation know-how. Today we're diving into a super helpful upgrade if you own a 2014 to 2018 Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra with a factory-installed Bose sound system. We're talking about the Kyleno Bose system wiring harness, and if you're planning to install an aftermarket radio while keeping that sweet factory Bose audio quality intact, this is a must-have. Let's start with what this product actually is. The Kyleno harness is specifically designed for the Silverado and Sierra models from 2014 to 2018 that are equipped with the Bose audio system. It includes a fiber optic box, a power cord with fiber optic plug, and a MOST508 audio cable. This isn't a universal harness. It's tailored for those GM trucks, and more importantly, it's engineered to retain the digital signals that your Bose system relies on. So if you're replacing your factory head unit with an aftermarket one purchased from the same store, this harness ensures everything keeps working as expected, speakers, amps, and all. Now let's talk installation. It's not just plug and play, but it's not overly complicated either. The key detail here is the CAN bus. You'll need to detach it from your vehicle's original wiring harness and connect it to the new harness that comes in the box. This CAN bus connection is what keeps your vehicle's advanced features like steering wheel controls and system communication intact. There's a video reference included by the seller that walks you through the setup, which is great if you're more of a visual learner. If you're unsure at any point during the install, it's highly recommended to reach out to their support team first, because this harness only works with radios sold from their specific store. So, what does this wiring harness actually do once it's installed? Well, it acts as a bridge between your new radio and your existing factory Bose system. The fiber optic box and cables are crucial here, because Bose systems rely on digital fiber optics instead of regular analog signals. That means if you try to connect an aftermarket head unit without the proper harness, you're either going to lose sound completely or seriously degrade audio quality. This Kyleno adapter ensures that the sound is preserved, so you don't lose that premium Bose experience just because you upgraded your stereo. In terms of packaging, what you get is straightforward. One fiber optic box, one power cord with the fiber optic plug, and one MOST508 audio cable. Everything is packed securely and clearly labeled. The connectors feel solid, and the harness build quality looks reliable for long-term use. If you're investing in a new head unit and want to keep your factory Bose system fully functional, the Kyleno Bose system wiring harness is a critical component. It fills that compatibility gap, supports clean installation, and most importantly, it preserves your sound quality. Just remember, it's only for radios purchased from their store, and you need to carefully follow installation instructions, especially when handling the CAN bus. That's it for today's review. Hit the like button if you found this useful, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more honest, no fluff tech and auto product videos. Catch you next time.